as you were saying, the mistakes what we made. When in the beginning, earlier in the time where I started off, say for instance, like 3 years, 4 years after entering the industry, opportunities were there, but I didn't take it up because I was like, comfort हो गया वो, हाँ है मतलब चल रहा है, गाड़ी चल रहा है, हो गया था. Later then I realized that I was like getting stuck in the same place doing not much, so I wanted to move ahead. So I came to Mumbai and started off into film industry. Before that I was into television, actually making into that. Most of my works were like I was doing multitasking at that time. It was a small studio with around a handful of people, and I was like taking care of pre and post. Pre-production including मतलब calling up the artists at early morning, sir मैम आपका shooting schedule 7 बजे तो time पे पहुँच जाइए. To after doing the shoot, taking a transfer on a local हम लोग का खुद का कैमरा, तो we do a DV cam tape transfer, edit offline, खुद काट के रफ मशीन करके, और हम लोग छोटा स्टूडियो तो मतलब बचाना पड़ता है. Wherever you can save, you save.
Multitasking.
Yeah, or I will do my own edits, of course with the production company supervisor, and then show to the client with the rough, and when it's done, then we take it to the studio and make a master out of it. So I see those were the time period of like first 3 to 4 years were the learning scale, which were like big, huge. Well, when I joined that particular studio, I didn't even know that 720 by 570 is the television. So like information wise, knowledge wise, that was a giant leap. After that one, second set of knowledge gain, big push was in Mumbai after joining a film production company, which I'm right now into. In between was a little transfer from one to another. I got into stereo for some time. Now I'm back in VFX now, but I'm still in contact with.
And happy about it?
Which one?
Are you happy about being back in VFX?
It is like situation wise. I'm happy while I'm doing.
Are you happy when you're in conversion?
Conversion, it's just a new. For me, it was a very new field. So I want to try what it is and how it is and what can be done with it. I tried it. I know I've tried to work it out, but thing is, probably I was too immature to get into and understand it in totality, a problem like that. But now I am aware of how much of myself can put into that industry and how much I can probably contribute to it. Still I'm doing some studio works, studio testing from the place where I work. The major portion of the studio testing happens to me. I'm trying to test out a few softwares for the company and trying to get involved in making a pipeline for this company. The thing is, I'm more of a VFX guy.
Just implies that we all keep on learning everything.
Yeah, there's no end to learning.
Yes, and we are doing it even now. All of us. Yes.
It's all about the challenging
and learn new things. भला वो मतलब आज का 10 रुपए का काम का नहीं है, but down the lane, मतलब one of the surviving
discussion is basically that whether it is opportunity or an active decision to go from one field to another, or let's just say grow from one field to another, is the need to know more. As an artist, you want to grow. You just don't want to limit yourself to just. It's like when you're having fun. Okay, you want to go on the big giant wheel also, and you want to go on the seesaw also. Okay, you want to experience everything. So, as an artist, we all feel that just by experiencing more stuff, we have not only grown, we have also made a solid footing in the industry. Okay, where we are able to mold ourselves into new technology, new fields, easily, rather than people who have been doing the same thing for the last 10 years. Like if there is an artist, if I meet an artist who has been doing artwork on paper for the last 10, 15 years, 20 years, and I suggest that they, pick up Photoshop and do a little color correction, they are very, oh, I don't know Photoshop.